Welcome car lovers. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the electric SUV world, the 2026 Toyota BZ, formerly known as the BZ4X. This refreshed model isn't just a facelift, it's a complete reimagining of Toyota's approach to electric mobility. From the moment you see it, it's clear that Toyota is no longer playing it safe. The 2026 BZ commands attention with a bold, confident stance that suggests it's ready to take on the growing electric SUV market, and it does so with a mix of elegance and aggression that's impossible to ignore. The exterior has undergone a dramatic transformation. Gone are the awkward angles and heavy black plastic panels of the previous model. Instead, the body-colored fenders flow seamlessly into the design, giving the car a more cohesive and premium look. The front fascia, inspired by Toyota's Hammerhead design language, is aggressive yet refined, with sharp LED headlights that stretch across the front, giving it a wide, planted stance. The sculpted sides create a sense of motion, even when the SUV is standing still, and the rear design balances sophistication with sportiness, complete with slim, horizontal LED taillights that run the width of the car. Measuring 194.6 inches long, 73.2 inches wide, and 65 inches tall, the BZ sits perfectly in the compact SUV segment, offering a commanding road presence without feeling oversized. Step inside, and the 2026 BZ's transformation continues. The cabin now feels modern, airy, and unmistakably high-tech. A new 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Physical knobs for volume and climate settings complement the touchscreen, creating a user-friendly experience that balances technology with practicality. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring that connectivity is seamless, while the minimalist dashboard design emphasizes clean lines and open space. The quality of materials has been noticeably improved, with soft touch surfaces and premium stitching throughout the cabin. Even the steering wheel has been redesigned, removing unnecessary plastic frames to provide a clearer view of the instrument cluster and enhancing the tactile feel. Passengers in both rows enjoy generous headroom and legroom, making long trips comfortable for all. Under the hood, the 2026 BZ is just as impressive. Toyota offers two battery options, a 57.7 kcal pack for the base trims, and a larger 74.7 kcal unit for the higher trims. This means buyers can choose between a balanced, efficient option and a more range-focused setup for longer journeys. The larger battery pushes the BZ's EPA estimated range up to an impressive 314 miles, while the smaller pack still offers a solid 20-35 miles per charge, addressing one of the biggest concerns of electric vehicle buyers: range anxiety. Dual-motor all-wheel drive models elevate the excitement, producing a combined 348 horsepower and delivering instant torque for an exhilarating 0-60 mph per time of just 4.9 seconds. For an electric SUV, that's a thrilling performance figure, and it makes highway merging and passing a breeze. Charging has also been upgraded to match the vehicle's enhanced capabilities. The BZ now supports DC fast charging, allowing drivers to replenish the battery from 10% to 80% in roughly 30 minutes. This is a game changer for those who frequently take long trips or need quick top-ups on the go. Additionally, the adoption of the North American Charging Standard (NACS) port means the BZ can access Tesla's extensive Supercharger network, expanding the convenience factor considerably for long-distance travel. Daily charging is equally hassle-free, with Level 2 home charging options that are compatible with standard 240V outlets. On the road, the 2026 BZ delivers a driving experience that is both refined and engaging. The dual-motor setup provides precise torque vectoring, making cornering sharper and the handling more responsive. Even in city traffic, the BZ feels composed, with a suspension tuned to absorb bumps while maintaining stability. Steering is accurate and provides excellent feedback, helping drivers feel connected to the road despite the SUV's electric powertrain. Acceleration is instantaneous, as is typical with EVs, but the BZ pairs it with a controlled and smooth delivery, ensuring that it feels planted rather than jumpy. For those who enjoy spirited driving, the AWD variants offer a level of grip and confidence that rivals some performance-oriented crossovers. Inside, the experience is as much about comfort as it is about technology. Seats are supportive yet soft, making long drives effortless. The panoramic sunroof option floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the feeling of space and openness. Noise insulation has been improved compared to the previous generation, making highway cruising peaceful and quiet. Even small details, like ambient lighting and intuitive storage solutions, contribute to a sense of thoughtfulness and refinement. The cargo space is competitive for the segment, with a flat-load floor and versatile rear seats that fold down to accommodate larger items, making the BZ practical for both urban commutes and weekend adventures. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has made the 2026 BZ an appealing option. The base XLE FWD trim starts at $36,350, offering a compelling entry point into the electric SUV market. Moving up, the XLE Plus with the larger battery comes in at $39,000. At the top end, the limited AWD trim costs $46,750 and packs all the bells and whistles, from premium interior finishes to advanced driver assistance systems. Considering the range, performance, and tech on offer, the BZ provides excellent value compared to competitors in the same segment. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota BZ isn't just another electric SUV, it's a statement. It combines Toyota's renowned reliability with modern EV technology, thoughtful design, and real-world performance. It addresses the previous model's shortcomings with a fresh exterior, upgraded interior, longer range, faster charging, and more powerful performance. Whether you're an EV enthusiast, a tech-minded commuter, or someone looking to make the switch to electric for the first time, the 2026 BZ is a vehicle that deserves your attention. It's capable, stylish, and exciting, proving that electric mobility can be fun, practical, and aspirational all at once. If you loved this look at the 2026 Toyota BZ, hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and stay tuned for the latest in automotive innovation. Your next adventure might just be electric.